I'm Bodolus, the Corporate Service Manager at BOSS JCB. We're here today to talk about the JCB Telehandler, specifically the 510, 512, and 514 series. Have you ever been in a situation where you've been on a job site, your stabilizers get stuck in the up position or down position, or your boom won't raise, it'll lower, it'll extend, it'll do everything else, but won't move? Well, we're here to help you. So let's talk about it today. So first off, the JCB has an interlock logic that uses the rear axle stabilization and some boom angle sensors to decide where that boom is. When you do that, you may run into some fault codes. When you run into those fault codes, it could be something as simple as a connector has come loose and you need to plug it back in, or you may have an air gap issue. If you have an air gap issue, you're going to find these sensors on the back of your machine right where the boom connects to the frame. Where the boom connects to the frame on the sides, you'll see those sensors. Those sensors need to be equally spaced on the left and the right side of the boom. If you have a larger air gap on one side than the other, we sell shims specifically made to shim it out, and we need to close that air gap up. So what you want to do is you want to get that air gap less than a half an inch, probably more than a quarter inch, enough room that the boom's not going to come down and make contact with it, but you want to make them equal on both sides. If you do that, your boom will go back to lifting, raising, and it will also turn your stabilizers on, because with the JCB telehandlers, when the boom reaches 60 degrees, or it thinks it's at 60 degrees, your stabilizers are locked out and you can no longer use them.